This is my 12-inch sliding miter saw, and I use this at work for doing molding and baseboards and things like that. Great tool. It's an off-brand, so it doesn't cost as much. I think it's a $400 saw rather than like a DeWalt, which will be $600. So I went with the off-brand when I first got this thing, and it does a good job. But last week I was at work and the switch went out in the handle, and I played with it a little bit, and I determined it. I think it's a switch. So what I've done is I've gone to Ace Hardware and I got a momentary switch. So when you press it, it stays on. When you let it go, it goes off, as this should operate. So that's what I'm doing today, because I've got a coupon to get a new saw, and the sale ends tomorrow, or the coupon expires tomorrow. So I'm going to dig into this thing and see if I can't get this thing working and save me $400. So wish me luck. So this is the inside, and this part here is what is supposed to turn the saw on and off with. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to plug this thing in, double check it, then I'm going to cut these wires, and then I'm going to bypass the switch and just touch the wires to themselves. And if that starts it, great, I know I can continue with my switch. So let's see, we're plugged in. Got nothing. I'm going to unplug it and cut it. Alright, tinkering with this a little bit more. Now to put this thing all together. Celebrated too quickly. Gotta finish putting it back together. Success. That's gone. In with the old, or out with the old, in with the new.